Welcome, my dear students. Our topic for today is about the nature of organizations. Let us now define what is an organization. Organizations are groups of people who work interdependently towards some common purpose or goal. Let us try to look at the characteristics of an organization. First, an organization has a distinct purpose or goal, meaning the leaders and members try to achieve a common goal. Second, an organization is composed of people. An organization has a leader and members. They work together hand in hand in order to attain the vision, mission, goals, and objectives of the organization. An organization has a deliberate structure, meaning an organization has an organizational structure that is evident through the organizational chart.